Astrology time, Shane here, daily-astrocat.com. Today is Tuesday, the 18th of August, and the moon's going to be in Cancer all day long. This is a day to focus on the home, happiness, and the bounty we are bringing into our lives. In my mind, I went back to the weekend. My grandchildren, my mother's pool, and her dog, Daisy. Beside that pool, there's a weather vane rooster. It's a powerful symbol that watches over everyone and everything that I was asked by my stepfather to paint and restore as a gift for her, my mother, several years ago. It keeps my spirit present, and it brings to her pride, renewal, good fortune, and the hope of a brand new day. That's what roosters symbolize, right? I wish every one of you this and more. Today's keyword is Vesta. Now we're going to get into this, right? The color is a pearlescent top coat. Yeah, a little white sheen, right? It's actually on that rooster, especially around the base. The base is this really interesting green with this pearlescent white sheen around it. That's like a little top coat. Now, beside that, let's just, we're going to get into a little bit. I just want to do what I wrote literally, just verbatim, only because I want to capture this symbolism of what it is that came to me as I was considering this day, rather than interject it full of ideas and then distract from it. Everyone knows who painted that rooster. Trust me, my mother tells them. Not everyone knows the symbolism that it represents, however. In a way, the rooster is a house spirit that blesses the house. When I looked up house spirits and deities, Vesta came up. Now, Vesta is one of these household goddesses. In astrology, the astrology Vesta represents focus, devotion, dedication, home, and hearth. Perfect for Cancer, right? That's interjected. Vesta happens to be conjunct with Haumea and Black Moon Lilith. Powerful divine female symbols, right? This grouping is part of a Grand Water Trine that is completed by the widely conjunct Venus and Jupiter, as well as the North Node. I mentioned this a couple days ago. A powerful, powerful Grand Trine, new ground, representing new ground, what we desire, the power to achieve that, and how it's tied in with our destiny and with the bounty that's coming into our lives through this Jupiter and Venus conjunction, which is basically going to be over in the next couple of days. So this is where we get a chance to enjoy the power of this. Now, I believe that Jupiter will still be in this position because Jupiter is going to be in Cancer for the entire year. Venus will be quickly moving on as she races to complete yet another petal, right? One of my favorite subjects. We will get into that later. This is a tangent, okay? Look, I'm content today to let the symbols speak. We're being shown that the results of our recent actions are going to be in a dramatically literal way. It's what happens. This involves an unfolding idea that I've been kicking around that honors both divine feminine and masculine energies. The rooster, Vesta, the Grand Water Trine, Mars and Mercury, still under that, right? We still have that going on. So, look, is it perfect? No, it never is. The symbols are there for you to take from them what you will, just like your dreams. You just take them and let them speak to you. This day is not very busy astrologically, but this is how it spoke to me. This is what came to my mind and what I wish to convey to you. So, today our houses are blessed by this most appropriate manifestation, and there will be a manifestation that will come to you that is very much in keeping with the spirit of that rooster. Okay? Leave me a comment and let me know what it is that you're bringing about. Let me know what your manifestation is. Let me know what your enduring work may have brought somebody else. That is something that's going to be good, right? And realize that your own good fortune in all of this. For every cycle that ends, we're in the midst of myriad others, right? Just mention that petal of Venus. In the background, perfected in March. There's another one that'll be forming when Venus is conjunct with the sun, which will happen. It will happen. Mercury is direct. Mercury will go retrograde again. The nodes will shift. The eclipse is coming in Virgo. In September, we're going to have a black moon month period. Just know that these energies are all like little waves, right? Attune your energy so that these waves that come, your vibration is high. That way, it mitigates the wave. Okay. Now, in 1887, Dmitry Mendeleev, that guy that brought us various scientific things, makes a solo ascent by balloon to an altitude of 11,500 feet above Klin, Russia, to observe an eclipse. Okay, that's 3.5 kilometers, by the way. Okay. Over 2 miles. Now, in 2335, going back to the future, William T. Riker, a character on Star Trek The Next Generation, was born in Valdez, Alaska. I love those fictional things sometimes. And that's all I have for you. Appreciate and love every single one of you. Thank you so much for joining me. Remember those waves and the vibration, where you want to keep your vibration. Don't sink down. Shorter than usual, which is beautiful because that's how the moon speaks to us. I have yawn candles and yawn lights that are burning to honor, and not too many candles because our moon is waning. We're going to bring about a new moon very soon, and it's going to be fantastic for everybody. It's going to be a double one, right? Like I said, appreciate and love you all. Today, I gave it a 7. Happy astrocatting.